Hey besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, we are going to go over the Cherry Blossom collection that is launching March the 21st. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Okay besties, we are going to hop straight into the video. Of course, it's going to be super long, but I'm going to try to shorten it as much as possible. Again, Cherry Blossom collection launches March the 21st. As of right now, it is open to VIC, and it's certain tiers that are able to order and without a minimum or maximum quantity amount, meaning they can order whatever they want. Okay, no minimum, no maximum amount. And for those that do not have a CA and you are not a VIC, I honestly don't know what to tell you. I would just say hang tight, try to reach out to a CA, go on Instagram and see if they're able to help you. I am super sorry. Okay, and it's only because of people that missed out on the multicolor collection. They just want something from this designer, okay, this collab. And since they missed the multicolor collection, they are most definitely coming after this collection. But the Cherry collection, to me, is honestly going to be like the multicolor collection from what I am hearing, okay? The first item I am going to speak on is the beautiful Alma BB in these epi leather, guys. I have no issues with the design. I don't at all. This just wasn't something that stood out to me as far as something that I can use on a daily basis, or it just doesn't go with me. Okay, my personality, yes, happy, but as far as my fashion, my style, it's not me. So this isn't bad to me. It's just cute. Okay, I love the design. Like I said, it's epi leather. Pink lovers, this is honestly for you. This whole entire collection is for you. I love the gold hardware on this. It just pops so beautiful. I am so glad they did not add any good tar straps, guys. You know LV does, they don't care. They will put a good tar strap on anything. But lately in 2025 so far, they have been doing good with the straps. Okay, so this is just a pink leather strap. And of course, the beautiful inside interior is that micro soft fiber material that we love, and it's in a beautiful pink color, guys. I love everything about it. I love the tag that's inside. Of course, it comes with a card holder. As you guys can see in the back, this is absolutely beautiful inside. I am so glad they went with the darker pink to bring out the lighter pink and the little flowers, the happy flowers that are on the front. Okay, but when I look at this, it just reminds me of Hawaii. When I look at this collection, it just speaks Hawaii to me. Okay, but again, beautiful, cute, and if you guys go for it and you want it, please do not wait. Reach out to a CA. The next is the Noe BB. I've never been a fan of this design, but this is absolutely cute. I love the details on this. The added flower, guys, on the drawstring strap. I love the adjustment. I love that flower. I love the gold hardware. The top handle, guys, of course, it is detachable if you just want to use the longer straps where you can wear as a crossbody or over the shoulder. But I am a tote hand, like I love the tote handle on any handbags. I carry all of my handbags as a tote versus as a crossbody or over the shoulder. But this is absolutely adorable. Front leather, of course, guys. I love it. I love the falling flowers. The details on this, guys, this is amazing. And when I go through collection like this, it makes me want it, and I hate that for myself. Okay, the inside, the same exact microfiber material. And this is honestly like a lighter shade. It looks like a lighter shade. Just looking at the picture, I'm not going to say it is, but it does look like a lighter shade of course gold hardware, and it does have a divider, an unpruned leather, as you guys can see, inside divider. And I'm assuming that you can put items in that little compartment. Okay, I don't have a Noe, but I am thinking that that is like a little slot for something. But if it's not, it's just an unpruned leather piece that's a divider. Okay, so guys, the next handbag, I haven't been a fan because to me it's just small, and I hope I'm pronouncing it right. The Marini handbag. If that's not it, I do apologize, but I will only purchase this for, I would say, I see 2 reasons. Okay, yeah, I see 2 reasons that I will honestly purchase this. And first, most definitely the bag charm that's on here, and also the chain strap, and it's also hooked to like a little card holder. Guys, that will be the only reason that I will purchase this bag. After taking all of that off, to me it's just a very simple handbag, as you guys can see here when it doesn't have the details. Inside is a smooth microfiber material. It do have a side compartment as well, but this will be a cute crossbody. I honestly would not mind purchasing this for a teenager. It's tiny, it's not big, and the only thing that honestly sticks out is the bag tag. So even with me taking off the bag tag, I just feel like it's not just a wow handbag, just a cute handbag. I will most definitely order this for my daughter as well if she was into something like this. Okay, so we have the pochette that's coming in the beautiful monogram with the flowers. You guys know how I feel about adding padlocks to handbags, and I think it's honestly cute. It comes with a gold chain strap. Of course, guys, it comes with Vachetta. You can carry this as a tote using the chain strap, or use the Vachetta strap as well. This is cute as well. A smaller crossbody, guys. If you want some from the collection, and usually these are the last things to go because people are really after the Speedy handbags from what I am hearing. So guys, just reach out. You are going to hear me say that a lot because I'm being so serious. Like right now, reach out, find a CA. If people are in the comments talking, reach out to the people in the comments, guys. We are a community. That's why I call you besties, not bestie. One person, besties. We are a community. If people are in the comments and they can help, guys, help. Like, honestly, help. But as of right now, I can't help because they are only telling me that it's VICs. Like, and it's sad. But if you are a CA and you're lurking in my comments, help. Okay, so this is the inside, guys. The beautiful pink color. Side compartment, guys. Unpruned leather, not unpruned leather, I'm sorry, but microfiber material. Very, very beautiful. Okay, and then we have the Nano bucket. I don't know why I think the Nano bucket is so cute. I don't know, it could just be the little key pouch pochette that it comes with, because that's what I will honestly take from this and give this bag to my daughter. Okay, but that's probably the thing that I want out of this whole collection is the bag tag and this little pouch here that comes with the Nano bucket, and the inside, the smooth microfiber material and that pretty pink. Guys, I am so glad they went with this pink, and I'm so glad they went with the microfiber material. Of course, Vachetta. This is loaded with Vachetta, guys. Please, 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 already in advance have the apple guard once you get it. Tape up the canvas like how you use the blue tape to tape up when you paint. Cover up the canvas, guys, and only spray the Vachetta. That's it. Okay, and again, here is a picture of the little bag tag, key pouch, coin pouch, whatever you want to call it, guys. I love calling it a key pouch, but this is something that I just would purchase by itself. Okay, and then we have the zippy wallet. I am not a big fan of zippy wallets. I do have the vertical zippy wallet because it comes with a phone holder at the front, and it converts into a crossbody. But this is a zippy wallet. The beautiful pink inside. I love gold hardware up against pink. So guys, if you purchase a Speedy handbag or the On-The-Go tote, this is what this zippy wallet is for. It's for the bigger handbags in this collection. Okay, so this is the most popular handbag, and I think this is, Speedies are always the most popular thing when collections launch. Speedies and Never Fools. Okay, so Speedies and Never Fools. This right here, the bag tag looks strange to me on this. I am being honest with you. I don't know if it's because of the dark pink on the bag tag or how low it's hanging, but for some reason, the bag tag looks weird with this Speedy. I don't know. But I will honestly say this is cute. For some reasons, with Speedies, with any collection, the Speedy handbag is going to stand out. And this is a Speedy 25. I'm so glad they did not do a Nano Speedy. Okay? Of course, guys, this is just like a regular Speedy. The Vachetta strap is detachable. You can carry it as a cute little tote. And I don't know. I just want them to just keep the extended zippers on all Speedies. I don't see the big problem. I know the classic monogram print, and you know, with the Speedies, you know, the little classics that came out years ago, but man, it's okay to elevate, even if it's just a little bit. The zipper is a part of the elevation, and LV, we need the extended zipper. I'm sorry, because looking from the top, do you see that opening? If we get that zippy wallet, just look at the opening. It's not big at all. Okay, but it does come with the I'm trying to see, yeah, it's the microfiber material. I just know they didn't put textile material in here, but I had to zoom in. It most definitely is microfiber material, and it does have a pocket compartment on the side. I'm not sure why it doesn't have a zippy a zip compartment on the side. Okay, we have the On-The-Go totes in the PM size. This, like I said, I don't know what's up with the bag tag on these. It could be it's because it's dark, the dark pink. I don't know. But I would take that bag tag off. I don't know what I would do with it, but I would take the bag tag off. It just seemed like, I don't know, it could be just doing too much. But here is the On-The-Go tote PM, and it comes with the bag tag, and it comes with an adjustable and detachable Vachetta strap. And this is most definitely a big, thick strap with this On-The-Go tote PM, but that most definitely will come right off. Inside, guys, I think this is textile material. I just know they didn't go that route. I want to say all of these come with microfiber material, especially for what we are going to be paying. But for some reason, this looked like it's textile material, and I just know they didn't do that. Okay, I just know they didn't. But the gold hardware sticks out. I absolutely love it, and I'm so glad. I'm so glad that this collection looks much better than what I was thinking, because the pictures were blurred. So I'm glad that we have better pictures, and it does not look bad, guys, at all. The Cherry Blossom collection does not look bad, and this is coming from Marquita LV Luxury's mouth. It does not look bad. So ladies, go for it. It's a go for it. Okay, and this is the beautiful Papillon MM. I would most definitely go for this because it's like purchasing 2 handbags for the price of 1. You have the smaller Papillon on the front that you can just basically use if you just want to do some store runs. You just want a smaller tote handbag, just like a mini pochette. Okay, so I will most definitely go for this as well. The Papillon is so cute, and it's so different, guys. And this is honestly, when I think about the Cherry Blossom collection, this is the first handbag that pops in mind. It really does. It just pops in mind. Okay, so I love everything about it. I love for some reason, I am just in love with longer tote straps. Okay, so this has a longer tote strap to where you can carry it over your shoulder. It is going to droop just a bit lower than the average tote handle. I love it. Very beautiful. Beautiful pink color, gold hardware. I would have loved if this also was extended just a tad bit, guys, just a tad bit, even though the opening is a lot wider and longer than the Speedy. Okay, besties, I almost forgot about one handbag. This is the LV Cherry Blossom Boulogne handbag. I am not a big fan of this design handbag, and not that I don't think it's cute, it's just something that I just feel like I didn't need. It comes with a beautiful gold chain strap that's that droops in the front, that I actually would take off and use as a necklace like I do, or on another handbag. It comes with a Vachetta strap as well, double zipper. Okay, and it does have Vachetta on those ends, guys, so we need to make sure we keep that apple guard in mind. Okay, I love looking at the top of these handbags just to expose the beautiful microfiber material that's inside in that beautiful pink color, gold hardware. Just a cute crossbody. Like, it just reminds me also of the Odeon PM, but very, very small version and without the front compartment. Okay, so if you are interested, this is another cute crossbody that you most definitely can go after. Okay, and the Nisi Mini, this is something that I will purchase. It's just like a little cute tote handle, guys. I want to speak on the bandeau. If you get anything from any of these collections, guys, the multicolored collection, the cherry blossom, or even the cherry collection that's coming out in May, make sure you grab a bandeau. You can't go wrong with that. At least you are grabbing something from the collection that you honestly can use, because you can basically just wrap this on any of your handbags in your collection, and it's going to bring out the handbag and it's going to bring out the bandeau. Okay, so when I speak on adding little small details and decorating your handbags, always go for a bandeau as well. Don't forget to tell your CAs about that. We also have this card holder here, but I'm hoping that they come with other colors. As of right now, this is the only one that I received. I love the color mint. I would like to see more SLGs. I would have loved to see, even though this is a, I know this is a far reach, a mini pochette, it would have most definitely been beautiful. Okay, and this is one of my favorite parts, guys, this cherry blossom charm bracelet here. Very cute, and my eye, this is something that my eye is on. I don't mind dipping into like the smaller SLGs, the key pouches, and the bracelets. I don't mind dipping and dabbing into little small things like that. But when it comes to handbags, I'm very, very picky. Okay, but this this bracelet, the charms on here is absolutely adorable. Okay, and guys, we also have the Victorine trunk. I spoke on this as well. This will be a tiny like a tiny SLG, guys, that you can fit into all of the other handbags. It's just that zippy wallet is just so doggone big. But this is something, guys, you can look into as well. Okay, and guys, I think I have went over all of my pictures that I absolutely have right now. We also have the Capucine. If you are into the Capucines, it's going to be $2 million. But hey, you'll have a Capucine and something from this collection if you want it. And no, guys, it's not going to be that much, but it's absolutely adorable. It's cute. It's just, to me, these Capucines are just too expensive for what we get. You understand what I'm saying? And this is coming from a person that actually tried a Capucine mini. I don't know what I was thinking. And I returned it like the next day. I couldn't fit my toe inside of it. Okay, so guys, that is everything that I have in my notes. Let's chit chat amongst ourselves. And again, guys, if you can help, if you have pre-ordered, if you are passing, please leave that information below, because it can help someone. If you are passing and you had the opportunity, how did you get the opportunity? Did your CA reach out to you? Did you reach out to a CA on Instagram? Guys, so let's be a community and help each other as much as possible. Okay, as always, guys, I hope this video helped. Stay safe, stay blessed, and thank you guys for all of your prayers. I am feeling much better and much energized today, as you guys can see. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you guys. There's nothing you can do about it. Mwah.